Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming network access and battery. Updating emojis often needs an online download. Once ready, open Settings and go to System Management or Additional Settings. You want Language and Input or Keyboard and Input methods next. This is where the keyboard app settings live. Tap the current keyboard entry to reveal Update or About options. If you see a keyboard app name like Gboard or iFly, select it to proceed with its update controls and emoji packs. You now update the keyboard app itself because newer emojis arrive through app updates. Once inside the keyboard settings, tap Update or About Keyboard. If nothing appears, open Play Store, find the keyboard app and press Update. When the app provides an emoji or sticker section, download the emoji pack and enable the new emoji layout in Preferences. Make sure to grant storage or network permissions, if requested, so the pack installs correctly, and the keyboard can cache graphics for fast use. You finish by testing the updated emojis. Open Messages or Notes and bring up the keyboard to confirm new icons appear. Once done, reboot the phone to finalize installs and clear any temporary conflicts. If emojis aren't visible, go back to Settings, clear cache for the keyboard app, or reinstall it from Play Store. As a key troubleshooting tip, make sure the Android system is updated because some emoji glyphs require a newer system font or rendering support to display correctly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.